most powerful, most amazing vision board that can help you manifest your dreams in 2026 using your own pictures. I have created this vision board last year for myself, and it just changed my year, changed my goals and my life, and I leveled it up for 2026. I'm already feeling like it happened for me. And when your eyes look at you as if you're living your dream life is even more powerful than visualizing. So now we're going to teach you how to make this vision board for yourself. If you don't know who I am, my name is Shadi. I'm a manifestation coach, and I help thousands of people manifest their dream life in as early as 7 days through Manifest Now online course, my 7 days guided manifestation journaling challenge, and my wealth frequency online course. These are the three main sources where people are learning my secret in my community, and they're thriving when it comes to manifesting and living their dream life. Now let's talk about this magical vision board that can change your life this year in 2026. The first thing you need to know about the vision board is that you should not make it too crowded, because when I see people making vision boards, putting images over images and making it look like a scrapbook, all I can see and all they can see and all their brain can see is a scrapbook, because their brain gets confused. If you have a clean, beautiful, minimal vision board like the one that I have, every time you look at it, your eyes can go through each one of them and you can actually feel yourself in that life, which is the key to helping you quantum leap and going into that dimension, that version of yourself, and manifest your dream life faster. The second thing you need to know is that you have to find out exactly what your dream life is, what the goal is that you're trying to manifest. Because when we're trying to achieve a dream, it's usually all over the place. We have no idea what we want. When we're trying to pinpoint and create an image, we get lost. So you want to narrow down your images from the dream version of yourself. Let's say you want to move to a warm country, you want to have a very successful business, you want to have a healthy and happy family together. Let's say this is the sum of all the manifestations you have. Whatever you're trying to manifest, write down several images that can match your dream life. So one image could be me working on my laptop in the backyard of a warm country, like a Florida house. Another image could be me standing with my husband and my child or children or my whole family beside my dream car, whatever the car that is, or my family, like all of us having dinner in our dream backyard in our Florida house. You're going to write down 4 or 5 or even 6 images that represents your dream life. So let's do it here together. I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to do it. So we're going to go on ChatGPT here, and let's say you want to create an image of yourself working in the backyard of your Florida home. You will put your picture here, and then you will say create an image of me working in my backyard of my Florida home. Let's say with a swimming pool, with an outdoor swimming pool. You're going to let ChatGPT create that image for you. And then the way that I wanted to do it was to have it on the screen of my phone. That's the only place where I put my vision board recently for the past couple of years. I used to print them and place them all around my house, but I found this to be more effective for me because I look at my phone all the time and I look at the pictures all the time. So I created all the images on my ChatGPT, and then I saved them on my phone, and then I went to Canva. I found a thumbnail, a pre-created vision board, and then I just inserted my photos in that vision board. And then there is a key to making this vision board work. I'm going to tell you how to do it. You can do that, or you can just create these images and then print them out and make the vision board and put it on the wall. Now let's see. This is the image that was just created for me for my Florida home. Isn't that so amazing? Now whenever I look at this, I can see myself in the backyard of my Florida home working on my laptop, happy, joyful. Now let's say you're trying to manifest an Instagram with 2 million followers. That's not something I'm trying to manifest right now at this point, but let's say that's something you're trying to do. Create an image with 2 million followers on Instagram for me. Okay, so I did screenshot from my Instagram, and then I gave it to ChatGPT and I asked it to create the same Instagram page with 2 million followers. If you want to have a certain amount of money in your bank account, let's say you want to have $2 million, take a screenshot of your bank account and then give it to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to put $2 million as the balance of the bank account for you. So you can do screenshots, you can give your own picture, you can give the pictures of your family. I did that with my family, created an image with my family sitting together at the dinner table, having dinner and celebrating and feeling joyful and peaceful. There we go. So it did create an image of my Instagram with 2 million followers. So now I can save this, and all the images that you want to have, you can save them. It's going to go directly into your gallery. You can either go to Canva and find pre-made design for a vision board and insert all the images in Canva and just make it to the perfect size of the wallpaper of your phone, so you can watch it every time you try to use your phone. For my vision board, as you can see here, I have myself with my family celebrating, feeling happy, going to Pilates, going to the beach with my family, standing in my own office in a warm country, our home, and working in my backyard, and also doing my full moon ritual, which is the main part of my manifestation in my life. This is something I want to manifest every single year, to continue doing every single month, because it's been life-changing for me. I have a free PDF in the description you can download and find out about the full moon rituals, and there is also a free webinar in the description. You can watch that and find out about my full moon rituals and all the things that I do in the full moon. And as you can see, in the middle of my vision board, I have written down 2026 dreams came true. You're basically writing down and sealing this vision board with the words that your dreams already came true. You're basically releasing your dream into the hands of the universe while you're looking at it and manifesting it without obsessing over it. And that's exactly why the manifestations come true. Another key point you need to know about manifesting: if you're single and you're trying to manifest love, for example, you don't want to put a specific person beside you. Now, because I'm married, I did put the picture of my husband and my family. But if you're single and you're trying to manifest, ask ChatGPT to make a photo of you with a man of your dreams. You don't have to say the name, you don't have to put their picture, someone's picture, to force someone into your life as your husband. Tell ChatGPT to create that man standing from back, and you standing from back maybe too, just walking by the beach together, holding hands. So the things you need to remember: put the activator words in the middle of your vision board. 2026 dreams came true. That's the words that's going to activate this vision board for you every time you look at it. Make it minimal. Don't show the face of your partner if you're not in a relationship and if that's what you're trying to manifest for. And also try to, if you find out the ChatGPT is changing your face, log out, close all the windows, and then after like 10-15 minutes, go back again and try to make the images again. My last year's vision board, it turned out to be exactly the life I'm living today. Everything I manifested in my last year's vision board came true, and I'm 100% sure that these are all going to come true this year. That's a mindset you want to have, and that's a mindset you're going to get once you start making these magical vision boards using ChatGPT. On my YouTube, I have videos talking about rituals and methods that can help you manifest your dream life. One of them is vision board. Now that you learned how to make it, go ahead and watch that video from last week. It's going to be in the description. Watch it and find out how you can do rituals and practices to include this vision board in your daily life and manifest your dreams faster. And if you're like, I want to sit at the dinner table with my family and tell them I manifested all my dreams within the next couple of months, Manifest Now online course is for you to join. Check it out. Share this video with your loved ones, because this is going to bring a lot of good karma for you. Share this with as many people as you know, because this is going to change their life, and that energy is going to come back to you and it's going to change your life. Like the video, subscribe to my channel if you like it, if you love it, which I know you do, because this is the best way of making vision board, and I love to be your friend. If you want that, come and visit me on Instagram and TikTok. Follow me there and let's be friends. I love you, and I will see you next week on the next video. Goodbye.